A drop in the ocean. A very small part or insignificant amount of something big or whole. A donation of $100,000 is just a drop in the ocean compared to the millions that need to be spent. Actions speak louder than words. It's better to actually do something than just talk about it. I am going to work for an NGO in Africa fighting climate change. Actions speak louder than words. Add fuel to the fire. Whenever something is done to make a bad situation even worse than it is. Don't mention the product delay in the meeting. You are just adding fuel to the fire. A penny for your thoughts. When you want to know what somebody is thinking. Why are you staring at the sky? A penny for your thoughts. Ball is in somebody's court. It is up to somebody to make the next decision or step. I have laid out my plan. The ball is in your court now. Barking up the wrong tree. Look in the wrong place or accuse the wrong person. I'm not responsible for this mess. You are barking up the wrong tree. Be a good catch. Be someone worth marrying having. Donald is such a good catch. I hope he'll propose soon. Beat around the bush. Avoid the main topic or not speak directly about the issue. Don't beat around the bush. We can have an open discussion here. Bend over backwards. Do whatever it takes to help. Willing to do anything. Our company is bending over backwards to satisfy our customers. Bite off more than you can chew. Take on a task that is too big. You bit off more than you can chew. You are never going to finish the presentation on time.